So today we're going to be making some vials of Pym Particles. Now what you choose to shrink or enlarge with these is your business. Start by getting yourself a clear thin container. This is an old herb container. Essential oil jars work well, or clear vinyl tubing with the ends glued shut. Fill a jar halfway with water. Put in a few drops of red food coloring. Shake it up and fill it the rest of the way with water. And then fasten the top back on it. If your top isn't watertight, you can also glue it in place to make sure it is. So then take some silver adhesive foil and stick that to the top of it. Then cut off the excess. Sorry, I'm off camera here, but I'm cutting off the excess around it. So you get a nice clean cut in the shape. And then take another piece of foil and wrap that around the lower edge. So you got your silver end. Take some thin craft foam and put some glue on it. Glue that to the bottom edge. And then once that's dried on there, take another piece of silver foil and go right around the craft foam to make yourself a matching silver end. You can also paint the white line on the top side of it if you want to, but I'm not going to. And put a little bit of silver on the bottom side, and of course cut off the excess to make it a nice smooth cut. And so there it is, starting to look like a Pym particle bottle. So then you just want to take some silver or gray seed beads and glue a few of those around the top and bottom rims. My camera's kind of out of focus here, but you just glue them on at evenly spaced intervals, a little bit apart. And again, do that to both the top and the bottom of the ending caps there. So there's the Pym Particles vial. If you want it to look like the one from Endgame, you can also add the little spikes out the ends, but I'm just leaving it like this. Pym Particles. Whoa! Uh-oh. Ah!